Made by Google event has finally happened, and Google has just introduced something cool and new to go with their shiny Pixel 10 phones. They call it PixelSnap. It's kind of like Apple's Magsafe, but for Pixel phones. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In an event made by Google 2025, the tech giant revealed that through PixelSnap, you can attach wireless chargers, stands, grips, and much more to the Pixel 10. But what's PixelSnap? Think of it like your phone now has a hidden magnet that lets you snap on different accessories quickly and easily. Want to charge your phone wirelessly? Snap. Want to hold it with a ring grip? Snap. Want to attach it to your car mount or stand it on your desk? You guessed it, Snap. Just attach your phone to it and you're good to go. Not only this, but Google's releasing its own PixelSnap cases and compatible accessories. According to the company, the simplest accessory is a ring stand, which attaches to the phone like a puck, and you can pull the ring to use it as a stand. All the new Pixel 10 phones, including the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and even the foldable 10 Fold, support PixelSnap. They're also ready for Qi2, which is a new wireless charging standard. This means they charge faster and more efficiently. The Pixel 10 Pro XL charges at 25 watt wirelessly, while the others go at 15 watt. Not bad. You can use the standalone charger while laying down your phone, or if you need to use your phone while charging or display home control widgets, you can use the stand. Google stated that the PixelSnap's case price starts at $49.99. The PixelSnap ring stand costs $29.99. The PixelSnap charger is available for $39.99. And the best part? PixelSnap also works some Apple Magsafe stuff too, so you might already have gear that works. In short, Google just made charging, holding, standing easier, cooler, and more fun for Pixel phones.